Another day, another POCO phone, and this one happens to be the POCO X8 Pro Iron Edition. This is a limited edition launch, and it looks pretty good. In the box, you get obviously paperwork, you get a special case that matches the phone, you get a red charging cable along with some paperwork, but most importantly, the phone itself is actually pretty decent for the price. For around $425, you get dual cameras on the back. One of them is 50 megapixels. The display is OLED at 6.59 inches, but the standout features is obviously the battery size, 6,500 milliamp hours, so this thing's gonna last you a couple of days. Pair that with a 100-watt wired charging, you have a pretty good mid-range device.